down here at the Warburton Rainforest Gallery. That's what they call this place, and I'll show you in a minute what it is. But I'll turn the camera around and you'll be able to see it. There's all walking tracks, and there's a lookout 5 minutes up the road. Small town, some bakeries. Not a lot in the town, a lot of people. Get down here and check it out. So that's it down there, the walking track. It's fucking awesome, this place, mate. Like, it truly is. It's not far, about an hour and a half. I drove 90 minutes. Good drive in. Done an oil change yesterday on the car. Flushed out all the radiator, done a bit of a service on it. Fucking bought a filter and a new gasket from Repco, and I bought a Ryco brand and tightened it up on the filter on top of the V6 3.8 litre or 3.6 litre, whatever it is. If anyone's familiar with that motor, the housing cap, and still was slightly seeping out, small leak. I've had to get some gasket glue and just glue it over temporary until do the next service. Got a guy coming in on the 14th this month, put all new fucking shocks through it, do all the bushes, spark plugs, give it a check over, get it ready for the big trips. Don't waste your days. Get out amongst it, mate.